Alright, how's it going, everybody? So apparently this week's Botgrinder challenge is over water under a bridge. So I got the bridge right behind me. Let me give you guys a peek. Pretty overgrown, gnarly spot, but hopefully I have enough clearance to get through here. This is going to be also my first over water of any sort with the drone. So let's give it a try. Here's what I got: Copus Mini. Let's see if I can do it. Let's hope I don't lose it. All right, super nervous right now. This is my first pack. I thought I was just gonna do a warm-up, but you'll see here in a minute I decided to just go for it, and I get super lucky. You can tell how nervous I am on the sticks here. Just jitterbugging all over. Alright, so this is where I thought about going in. First battery, no warm-up for the day. Keeping it almost too low. And like I said, the spot's pretty overgrown. And I kind of start swooping around. Ooh, that got dangerous. And then I just say, screw it, I gotta do it. Not too bad overall. Pretty happy for my first overwater. Oh fuck, I got cocky. I did it on my first warm-up battery, and then I had to do it better, so then I went back to do it again. And I pushed out too soon, and I hit the top of the bridge and plopped down into the water. Shoes are soaked. I'm fucking dripping. Drone's right here. We'll try and air her out and see what happens. Oh, damn it. So let's take a look at the crash now. I'm just gonna let it roll. Fuck. Fuck. No.